In this video, I will show you how to use a PlayStation controller on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. First off, I will need to mention that for this video, we will be using a third-party service called PS4, which basically allows your PC to recognize your PlayStation controller and make your experience smooth. To do that, we will need to exit Minecraft and go over to our browser. Now, after we are on our browser, we select one of the search boxes and we write PS4. Then we press the enter button. Then we go and select this link right here. Then you press the download button in the top right. After you have pressed that button, you press download right here once again. Now, after your download has finished, you can minimize your browser, go over to your file explorer in the bottom, then go into downloads, and you can drag the latest file that you just downloaded, the DS4 Windows. Then double left click it, and when you get inside of here, you can press extract all. Then select the exact location for the folder that we're going to extract and press extract. And now, as you can see, the folder has just been extracted. We can double left click and open it up. Then we can go into this folder and scroll down and find this application called DS4 Windows. Then double left click and open it up. Here you want to choose where you want profiles and settings to be saved. You can choose either program folder or app data. I'll choose program folder. Now when you get here, you'll locate to the section which is relevant for you. If you use a PS5 controller, check the box next to DualSense. If you use a PS4 controller, check the box next to DualShock 4. For me, it's DualShock 4, so I'll select that, and then I can press the close button. After you press the close button, you will get this pop-up right here. You will need to select this option at the top. It will say install. Now, in here, you press the next button. You can choose the file path for the installation, and then you can agree to the license terms and conditions. Make sure that you have agreed with them previously. Press that and press next, then press install. After that has finished, you press finish right here. These two are not necessary for this tutorial, so we can press the finish button. Now we can take our controller and connect it. For this video, we will only show the wired method, but if you want to use Bluetooth, you can go to the search button on your taskbar, then select that and write Bluetooth, and then select the application at the top. Press the plus button right here, and then you go into everything else. Then your controller will pop up right here. Make sure it's in pairing mode, and after it pops up, click it. Then after you have paired it, you go over to DS4 and you press the start button. Now let's go over to the wired method. First off, we take the charging cable for our PlayStation controller, and then we take the USB part and plug it inside of our computer. Now after you have done that, you take the other part of the charger and you plug it inside of your controller. You can see my controller just started to light up. That means that I have successfully connected it to my PC. Now we can press the start button right here. And it just found my controller. It's currently setting it up, and now we can jump into Minecraft. Here we are inside of Minecraft. I can use my controller to navigate through the menu. As you can see, I'm currently moving around. If you want to edit the bindings for your controller, you can press the escape button, then go into settings, then go into controller right here, and scroll down, and here you have all the settings that you can edit. And here we are. We can move around using our controller, as you can see. We can do anything that we want. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.